As are the thoughts, so is the conduct. As is the conduct, so is the health. It's all really, yeah. Okay, yeah. This is what we decided. Complex carbohydrates. A lot of people don't realize. I just Googled is it McPherson area? They had the trees were going so well with the fruit. Then of course the government wanted to widen the road, all gone. So we have destroyed. God gave us the Garden of Eden, you know. We have destroyed it all. Coconut is the best fruit we can have. But why are we drinking soya, not coconut? That's what Dr. Vincent done. His aunt. If we are too old to drink the coconut water as it is, then take the flesh, the young flesh, or the older flesh. You know? So this one is again fermented tapioca. These are what is called complex carbohydrate, whole foods full of nutrition. Now, there are diets like the Atkins diet, the keto diet, that says only meat and fruit and vegetables, no carbo. That's very lopsided, very acidic. You need the right complex carbohydrates. So don't just listen, hey, carbo very bad. You must realize, okay, next slide. Living plant recipes full of nutrition. Okay, this was what I put together. I'm sure you all are familiar with aloe vera. In Kampong Senang, Tampines, the volunteer gardener, Mr. Lim, he has brought special type of aloe vera from Ipoh. He said that there's I think most aloe vera good. You can get from the market, at this red market. And this one here, I use the star fruit, but passion fruit is also very good. Yeah, and you can use honey, or if you don't take honey as a vegan, you can use coconut sugar, palm sugar. And this is at the star seed sedili. I don't know whether were you there when we served this? Yeah. So this is banana steam. This is all the fresh fruit. And this is, I think, if I'm not wrong, tapioca. And then we have the freshly grated coconut. In fact, for us, that should be the best food or the best milk. Yeah. And this one is the shipuri in India. These are all the different beans that are just sprouting, you know. And this is a local orange. We have local oranges, which are sort of greenish. Yeah. Okay, this one. Now, this is what I improved on. You can substitute the fish with tempeh. But be careful nowadays because the tempeh is made in plastic. So you have to look for the tempeh where they still use the banana leaf. And that is Ulan Raja. And I added fresh coconut, grated coconut, to make it more healthy, more nutritious. So all this is raw to be eaten. Now this, again, I found a cafe when I was living in Tampin, Malacca, where they agreed to make for me the roti canai, where I would, in Sidini Bazaar, so the kampong, they did moringa leaf, and then the banana, you can either put it in or you can eat it on its own. And so it's healthier than it would otherwise be, you see. And this is my Serangoon Central favorite, my mee siam. So because living alone, like I do, you don't want to prepare every meal, even though I only eat, like 2 meals virtually a day. So, and the other thing that they told old people is, not safe for you, stay at home. Huh? Go and get Grab food or whatever it is. You know how depressing it is to be just locked in, and there are poor people I know who do not even have their own room in the flat. You have to share, or they put out the bed or the camp bed, right? And I'm sure you know there are people like that. They don't even have their own room. So, okay, is that anymore, or is that enough? Okay, these books are very, very important. This one, this is actually Dr. Ray's friend. His name is not there, but you can Google. I should update this. Dr. John Diamond, Unlock the Power of Natural Energy. This is a natural park. And the leafy greens are the superfoods. But it's very hard now to go to outside any restaurant to buy anything that's got leafy greens because it doesn't keep well in the fridge. People don't like it. So they will just give you cabbage and or maybe lettuce. Not good enough. So that's why it is not within the scope of this talk now that we cannot leave anyone to our food. Is this the last slide?
No, I think there's a few.
So we and food is not long and they didn't do anything. So again, now this book that you all have got, please, all the answers to how you should reverse diabetes, stop cancer, everything is in here. Especially living plant diet. You see, you hear the word plant-based. But a lot of people plant-based is got no greens. You know what I mean? Yeah, so living plant, you need at least 50% of the food raw. So all this is, these are the doctors who are recommending, although they use the word plant-based, I use saying that the living plant diet. That will be 100% living, but at least 50%. Yeah. And here, you see, and I think it may not be the book, I run out of this already. The main thing is what you have at home, or what you go to NTUC, FairPrice, Giant, wherever. Please don't go and shop them. Go to the wet market. At least there you can get real things. And yesterday I was there. Oh, I got this, we got Dr. Long Dong. Mom, are you having this in your garden? The wilder the fruit, the more nutritious. And that's why I'm growing a lot of wheat and here is this, some of the things growing out here, blackberry vegetable, and all that, yeah. So, and I brought this banana here because, again, don't go to the supermarket and buy pita and all those, or Cavendish. This is not certified organic, but it's quite better because this is also commercial. These people guns are also commercial. Then if you only want to eat organic also, certified organic, what are you limited to? Apples are oranges, right? And beetroot. So it's very limiting. I cut this off because you better cut it out. Yeah. So the main thing is, as I said, that you just be. Who's familiar with Dr. Lee's life? You familiar? Joyce you were a volunteer with Dr. Lai
So I
before.
invited her to come to Singapore. He did talk on cancer is reversible in 1992 and also in 1994 at Indoor Stadium. It was attended by more than 30,000 people over 3 nights. So from there onwards, Singapore started to have natural food and organic food, organic shops. Yeah. Also in Malaysia, he also created the awareness. Lei Chiunan she's more well known as Chiunan Lai.
The center is in Woven.
She has got a representative office in
See,
Kobe.
this particular edition, herbs around us. Another look at herbs which fertilize the earth and nourish life. What we should do is, we should go where we are living, balcony,
Yeah,
where
she
it's
was a
not
cancer
what you are eating
researcher
every
at
day.
MIT.
And then have a farmer in our midst within, say, 5 kilometers or whatever. My nephew Eugene, he lived in Shenton for several years, right? There's a ring of farms around. And these farms are not necessarily organic, but the produce is harvested and he's able to go to the eatery and have the harvested produce there and then. But even our normal organic farm, first of all, they were not even growing much fruit at all. And then, whatever is harvested, put into the fridge. And by the time we actually eat it or, use it, it's already old. So, this is what we should do. This one, herbs and language of weeds. Weeds are guardians of soil. So, Donna, are you familiar with Rachel Nan's work? Okay, I'll let you have the choice. There are not many, but in the center, I think there are a few copies left. Because everything now is online, you see.
Okay. All right, thanks a lot.
But you keep it and you know.
Yeah, visit their website.
Okay.
Yeah.
What's a more updated information?
Okay. Okay. When we were living in Kundini Bazaar, my friend, Jason Koch, he did these enzymes. He's doing the tapioca method, pineapple enzyme, and the noni is the wild fruit. I don't know whether anybody ever bought the noni juice, which costs like $70, $80 a bottle. It's going on everywhere, and here in Singapore also. It's in my neighborhood also. It just falls to the ground, nobody bothered. But when I was living in Darwin, my neighbor, he had skin cancer. Is it the right one or the green ones? Well, you got the right one, so steady. But you can eat the green ones. In fact, my friend Khadija, of Cancer Care in KL, she made, what do you call it, like a salad. Yeah. When it's not ripe, it doesn't have that. Yeah.
So which one is better, to eat the right one or the green
You
one?
see, it's very hard to eat the right one, but it's probably still easier than doing chemo or whatever. So, okay, we are now finished.
I have a
Can we just,
question.
yeah? Oh, sorry. Last one. Dr. Ajit Damaran. Yeah. John Tang, yeah, with the name is already. Sarabhan? Brother, yeah, stand up. That's him.
Hello.
This one's online now. Theo has gone back to Malaysia for Life Center, this concert, and of course in Kampong Senang, the big lifestyle. Okay, so all right, thank you very much. Lunch will be served. There may not be place for everybody in the eco-friendly cafe. So you can either
Yeah, can I make